Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich Zonair portable air conditioner. With the function of up to 4 different appliances in one convenient and portable unit, Friedrich's dual-hose Zonair portable air conditioner offers cooling, heating, fan, and dehumidification that moves with you from room to room. Zonair's dual-hose closed-loop design cools up to 40% faster than single-hose units. It's also more energy efficient than single-hose portable units because Zonair doesn't waste any cooled air by venting it outside. The dehumidification mode keeps your space comfortably dry, and with a self-evaporative system, the condensate is used to cool the coil, so there's no bucket to empty. When you just want a gentle breeze, simply switch to fan mode from the control panel or use the remote control from across the room. Zonair is simple to install. Snap-in hoses and 115-volt operation means quick startup and cooling. Zonair also moves easily from room to room or storage with casters and side grip handles. It can condition areas up to 600 square feet and is ideal for bedrooms, garages, dorm rooms, or anywhere you need quick, convenient air conditioning. Zonair is the practical, flexible, and efficient portable air conditioner that offers fast cooling exactly when and where you need it. A broad service network, a team of technical experts, and U.S.-based customer support ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich, the experts in room air conditioning.
To use the convenient smart features on your LG portable air conditioner connected to your smartphone, search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select Air Conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to Step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG portable air conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG portable air conditioner.
Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar AP14001HS, the extreme cool 14,000 BTU dual hose portable air conditioner and heater. Now this unit has a black cabinet with a stainless steel front and an attractive LCD display, which will complement the styling in any room. It cools up to 525 square feet with that 14,000 BTUs of cooling power. Also, it has a wide temperature range of 60 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can use it in the winter as a heater. It also comes with a fully functioning remote, which means you don't have to get off the couch to change the settings. Finally, a really cool feature about this unit is that it has an auto restart feature, which means if at any time the unit loses power, when it regains power, it'll just reset back to its previous settings. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar AP14001HS, the extreme cool 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner and heater. Pick one up today.